Hi everyone. First I started off to prime my eyes with the LA Pro Concealer, and then I used the NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil in order to get that white base and background. So it will be a good foundation for our colorful eyeshadow. Today we're doing a rainbow look. I'm using a small beauty sponge to blend out everything. Next we're going to use my Ace ViVi makeup palette. It has all the colors of the rainbow in it. And that I'm going to take to do my different colors. I first would start off with a flat packer brush, and that will be used to add color basically onto the eyes. So then at the inner corner I use the pink from the palette. When you're applying these colors, you have to ensure that the colors are first added onto the eyes and they are blended properly so you can have a seamless blend through each color. So at this point I'm basically intensifying the color. The colors in this palette is very pigmented, so you won't need a whole lot, but I'm just making sure to secure that color in the inner corner. Next, I use another brush. Just so that these brushes came from the supply store, and these brushes, I think they work very well. It's a 32-piece brush set, and I'm using, there is a spongy type brush that comes within it. It's used for eyeshadows. I mean, when you buy the eyeshadow palettes, most times you would get, sometimes you would get those. This was very beneficial in terms of me adding on the color, so it actually showed the color very nice, better than the packer brush actually. So I use that brush to add the purple and to add the orange, and I'm always making sure to blend seamlessly the colors into each other, and where I don't feel it's blended properly I would go back in. I'm using another sponge type applicator, and I'm going to apply the green color. And then now I go in and I pick up the blue. Now the blue in this palette is very pigmented, and I wanted to wing this blue line out. I wanted to have an extended wing because we are going to do a cut crease at the bottom of this color, so I wanted it to be a little bit dramatic. So now I'm adding in the blue, and I will be sure to blend in the both colors, as both colors are very bright. You need to have a proper mixture between the two of them, a seamless blend I would say. So I would go in back and forth with either side and make sure to blend it in. I'm going back now into the orange and make sure that the orange and green is blended properly, and I'll do the same for the purple and orange. Now I'm going to create the cut crease. I'm going to use the LA Pro Conceal, and it is in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to cut the crease. Now the brush I'm using to cut the crease in this particular instance, it is taken from the Color Bamboo collection. One of these brushes costs $30. This brush is good for cutting crease. It has a sharp edge. It's very flat. The brush is also, the bristles are very steady, so So when you have to create the cut crease, the bristles don't move and then you get a perfect cut. I also use this brush to do my brows. And now, since I got the desired look that I wanted, I use the brush now to distribute the rest of the concealer all over the rest of the eye. Now, I forgot to record the gold color that I had on top of concealer, but that color would have come from the ViVi palette, and I would have done it with a mixture of my Beauty Treats gold. I thought that the gold in the ViVi palette was not as bright enough, so I went in and I added another gold on top of it, which I think came out perfectly. Now I'm adding color at the bottom of the eye. I'm mirroring what was on the top, except I did not add the orange, but every other color, the blue, the green, it was added at the bottom of the eye, and I'm making sure to check to see if I'm balanced on both eyes. Now we're going on with a portion of the look. I wanted to have a glitter line, and I chose a silver glitter. This glitter is a Duocrome glitter. It has a lot of different specks of color, and it was perfect for this particular look. So I added on my glue off camera, and I'm now applying the glitter with an angle brush. Here I'm showing you the glitter, what it looks like that I used first, and after this glitter, I use a Sacha glitter. It's a bronze sort of copper color glitter, and this I applied with my finger. I found that the finger application of this particular glitter was very effective. The glitter is one that if it exposed to every type of air, it flies. It's a very I would say it's more as a not a pigment. It's really nice, and it was able to give the gold a good pop. So there I'm adding the pop of glitter, which complements the silver lining. Now we move on to using our felt tip liner, and this is from Jordana. It's a fine line. I use this in most of my looks. I find that the tip is very sturdy, and I would not really be adding a wing to this look though. I'll just be making sure that I have a nice pointy edge and filling in all of the spots. So this liner is from Jordana, and the color black. It also goes on matte. Next, I'll be using my Sacha blush, and it is in the shade Claret. And this blush is very pigmented. You have to use a little bit of it to make sure that you don't have too much of it on. I've already added my bronzer and I've already contoured. So now I'm going to add highlight. This is my Sun Kiss highlight. I bought it from an online person online. Valentina Chick Titi. They had this highlight and I thought it was very nice. All of the highlights in this palette is frosted, and I'm using the rose gold and the gold to complement the eyes. You have to make sure that your highlight is on point, especially if you're taking pictures or you're doing video. So I'm just going to make sure I reinforce that highlight on my cheeks, and I'll highlight the regular areas, the cheekbones. I'll highlight the forehead, the nose bridge, Cupid's bow. And now I'm going to prepare my lips for the lip pencil, and I'm just using a makeup wipe and peeling off the lip gloss that I had on before. So that's what I'm doing now. And before I add my lip color, I'm going to add some inner corner highlight. It's from the same Sun-Kissed palette, so I'm just ensuring that my inner corner dot is highlighted, and I'll also highlight my brow bone using the same colors, the rose gold, and I'm also using the gold in the palette. Next, I'm going to do my lips. I'm lining my lips now. This is a MAC pencil, and I believe the color of this is mahogany. So I had this a little while, so the writing on the pencil came off, but I most believe it's mahogany. So I'm making sure to outline my lip. And while I'm doing that, I decided to add some brow gel. And the brow gel I'm using, it's from a brand called Andrea, and it's a clear brow gel. So I'm just making sure to keep my brow hairs in place. I'm going to use a Bricklet Red matte lipstick, and I got this at the beauty supply store. It's a very nice color. I think it matches well with the pencil, and it dries down matte. So I'm adding a generous coat of that. Moving on from that, I'm now going to add a Claret gloss, and it is from an Ashley Lee, and what I have as a topper. I usually don't like to wear matte lipsticks on its own, so I would usually put a gloss over them. Next, I'm going to add setting spray. This is Rosewater, and we're done. We're finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please stay tuned until I upload the next video. Bye guys. Please subscribe.